Hi, hello. Yes. Yan, nandito po ako ngayon sa Karkar City, Cebu, and magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. And it's Friday. It's Good Friday actually. So medyo relax tayo as we observe this the real meaning of this day. So medyo chill lang, no? And yeah, I'm actually making this video because gusto ko po makausap yung mga Swamily, no? All members of SWA. And I'd like to tell you more about our win words. So the first win word is connect. Okay, connect. Yun po yung mission statement natin as summarized in 3 words: connect, create, uplift, no? So the first word is connect, no? So I would like to focus on there, no? Connecting means connecting, no? Walang ibang ibig sabihin. You connect, you reach out, you befriend. Okay, so I'd like to speak directly sa mga members natin, and please, hindi po lahat ng tao, okay, from all over the world will definitely like or will agree with what we're doing, no? So I firmly believe in that, no? Hindi talaga. It can't happen na 100% of all the internet users will like Supreme Wealth Alliance, no? But again, please do not disconnect from them, no? And para po dun sa mga tao na who express doubt in what we're doing, no? Na probably strongly sinabihan pa tayo ng masasakit na salita. Sinabi nilang hindi tayo totoo, or probably nanloloko tayo, or that word that I don't want to use, SCAM, no? Please, we're not here to disconnect from them. So what I really would like everybody to do, especially if you're a SWA member, you connect with them, no? Wala silang planong saktan ka, wala silang planong pahiyain tayo. It's just it's not for them, no? Pero this whole life is not about who wins and who loses, no? Or sino yung totoo, sino yung mali, no? This is not about proving ourselves to be right. We are already right in our own definition. We are already victorious in our own definition, no? So please, especially now na lumabas na yung Swapi, alright? And I've been seeing post na ginagamit natin yun to really parang ipamukha sa kanila na mali yung sinasabi nila. But again, at the end of the day, we may win the battle, but we lose them as friends, no? We lose them, we disconnect from them. So please, okay, whatever your reactions, no? I'm not saying mali yung ginawa nyo. Probably we're so excited to let everybody know that yes, we are valid, we are real. But again, do not disconnect from them, no? So we do not use the things that we are doing good to disprove them, no? So at the end of the day, magkakagalit tayo. Alright, the whole SWA experience is not about winning. It's not about us being great and them as losers. It's all about connecting, no? So yun ang tanong mo, ito bang ginawa ko, ito bang sinabi ko, did it connected to them, or did we got disconnected? Okay, we may win the battle, we may win in the court, but at the end of the day, we lose them as friends. So hindi po yun. That's not the essence of SWA. SWA is all about connecting, no? Okay, so whatever happens, may mga taong hindi gusto yung ginagawa natin, may mga taong sinasabihan pa tayo ng masasakit, please, we are here to connect to them. So do whatever it takes to the point of putting them first, no? Di bali nang masabi na nagbumaba tayo, pero we still win the friendship. Okay? So yun ang gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo. Please, now that we know that SWA is so successful, now that we know that SWA is so legal, we even have this Philippine incorporation already, the SWAPI. So there's no point in telling everybody that they are wrong and we are right. It's not the essence of SWA. SWA is all about connecting. So please, do not lose the friendship. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan patunayan na magaling tayo. Hindi natin kailangan patunayan na may mga certificate tayo. Wala tayong dapat patunayan. We are here to connect to people, and yun dapat ang gagawin natin. Please. Salamat po. And I hope naintindihan nyo ako as the coach and as the tatay of this program. This is my heart. And I would like to share it to you. And I request that you also follow what my heart beats. Maraming salamat po. God bless everyone.